you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I
Told you to get your popcorn ready. Look at this news. Look at the news. Man, we predicted this first. Everybody else wants to throw in their 2 cents. All of a sudden it's gonna be bigger than what we think. It's going to get big, folks. We in for a ride. How you doing, Scott? It's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot. If they don't, they will. I promise you that. Everybody wants a piece of this game. This is the hottest sector in the world, right here, right now. The evidence is all around us. How you doing, James? Thank you for joining us here. Tampa's in. Let's go. Drop your locations, guys. Drop your locations. What are my thoughts on Labs? I think Labs is going to be enormous. Rochester, New York in the house. How you doing in Rochester, New York? Is there a lot of snow there in Rochester, New York right now? Graham, Washington. Here we go. So I will admit the opportunity in America will be larger than in Canada because America has 10 times the population. And when they do legalize cannabis in America, this will be the biggest money-making machine we have ever seen. Anderson asking, question, Canada, selling vape products already or not available for sale there yet? No, you can get everything here, but some things are legal and some things are illegal right now. What is legal is cannabis. What is considered illegal, unless under medical circumstances, is CBDs. Labs will be reporting earnings in 7 days. That will be glorious. That will be glorious. This has been the buy the rumors, sell the news. We see it over and over and over again. LABS is the symbol, Labs. There's a lot of snow. I'm over it. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. Who wants snow, right? Oh, it's going to be massive. Labs' revenues will be massive. So, this article here says Seaport Global rolls out cannabis coverage and sees global market at $630 billion. U.S. investment banks are increasingly devoting resources to covering the cannabis industry, including American operators. I think the opportunity is huge in America. Today, independent investment bank, capital advisory, and research firm Seaport Global, with offices in New York and New Orleans, released a 208-page report that included a primer as well as initiated reports on a dozen cannabis companies. Analysts Brett Hundley, CFA, and Luke Perda issued reports on both Canadian and American companies. This is big news. The more big institutions are covering the cannabis sector, the more money is going to be flowing into the cannabis sector, the more people will be investing in the cannabis sector. This is huge news. I want you guys to understand what's happening here. We are formally launching coverage of the global cannabis space. This exciting market area is evolving quickly with hundreds of public companies coming to market in recent years. There's clear momentum behind the legalization of cannabis around the world. We expect many countries, including the US, there it is, bam, including the US. That is the money maker. That's what everybody cares about. When will the US legalize? Including the US to go legal within the next handful of years, and we think that this will create a considerable forward opportunity for the blowing up industry that is regulated legal cannabis. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We are in our lane and we are excited. Look at this. These are the two analysts. Listen to this. From a little over $12 billion in global value today, we see the market ultimately evolving to almost $630 billion in due time. Wowzers. Wowzers. Wow. We expect the market to largely bifurcate into a retail dispensary model built around recreational use and CPG pharma products offered for therapeutic use in traditional channels. Ultimately, we see the greatest potential for cannabis as a value-added ingredient. Oh, brother. Check out the companies that they're going to be covering. Let's write them down. The firm initiated coverage on, number 1, Aurora Cannabis. You don't say. Number 2, Cannabis Growth. You don't say. Number 3, Tilray. Yeah. With neutral ratings and no price targets. Yet. Not yet. With the balance of its coverage receiving buy ratings. So they're giving Aurora, Cannabis, and Tilray a neutral rating. And these are the buy ratings, okay? Acreage Holdings, ACRG in Canada, ACRGF in America, Afria, APHA, Curaleaf, CURA in Canada, CURLF in America, Green Organic Dutchman, TGOD, TGODF in America, Green Thumb Industries, GTII, GTBIF, which has been on fire. I gave them a full alert today, actually. They've just been absolutely on fire. Green Thumb Industries, GTII in Canada, GTBIF in America, and Hexo Corp, HEXO in Canada and America, and Ianthus, IANITHUF in America. I love Ianthus right now. And Kushco Holdings, a lot of your boy Rich's picks, KSHB, and MedMen Enterprises, MMEN in Canada, MMNFF in America. So those are all buy ratings, guys. So a buy rating on Acreage, Afria, Green Organic Dutchman, Green Thumb Industries, Hexo, Ianthus, Kushco, and MedMen. 9 companies. Wow. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? I love all those companies. Love them all. Love to know what you guys think about this news. This was the news I wanted to break to you guys. I think that all of these companies have so much potential, and I'd love to know what you guys think. Love to get your guys' opinion. Are you surprised with this list? There are 12 companies on their list. 9 of them are a buy and 3 of them are a hold. Not surprised that they're holding Cannabis Growth and Tilray. Somewhat surprised that they have Aurora as a hold. Ellen says, it tells me that we are right. Oh, of course we're right. I mean, look at the picks that we're talking about. All the picks that we've been talking about have been doing well. So we haven't really been surprised by anything. Scott says, I own 4 out of the 9. Love them all. Good work. Good work. It's a good list. This is a very good list. Even the 3 holds, the 3 neutrals are very strong cannabis companies. Which ones don't have large investments in them from big banks or firms? Those are the ones that might pop up. I believe they all do. At this point, I believe all of them do. But they could always get a bigger partner. You can always have, you're dating, right? You can always have an upgrade. J.O. says, just bought my first round of MedMen today and going to San Diego shop after work. Nice. Never seen before in video says MedMen has earnings next month, March 4th, 2019. I think the earnings will be spectacular. I predict that they will be very, very strong. The only labs you should be talking about is EVO Labs. Maybe make a video tomorrow how you discovered the pick yourself. It's funny that there's people that think that I want to steal people's picks. This is not about that here. This is about sharing picks, guys. You guys sharing picks with each other. It's not about me. I'm just the spreader of news. Got so many haters and so many trolls. And Rich is trying to take my pick and he won't talk about my pick. Or he likes this pick and he doesn't like that pick. I think at the end of the day, it's about your guys' picks. What picks do you guys like? You guys could call in my show right now and give me your picks. I want to make this interactive. I want to get you guys involved. Yeah, share your picks with me. Awake all ye nations, says Xena. Yeah, Xena. Let's take a look at Xena. Village Farms had a day today. Did Village Farms have a day or what? Village Farms had a day. Xena. Oh yeah, Xena hit the bottom, eh? Sure did. 349. Up 5%. Yep. Good call on Cannabis. Yeah, Village Farms had a day. I kid. Love your content, bro. All right, man. It's all good, man. I could take jabs, man, with the best of them. Tom says, I like Xena. Maybe 250 gap might fill. I don't know, man. Cannabis looks good at these prices. 320, it looked better. It was down to 317. It's a sell on the technical opinion here on TradingView. It's a sell. I don't know. It's a sell. It's a sell. So, I mean, they're saying it's a sell, but I like it. I like it a lot. I think we might be finding a bottom here. They had some news recently? What news? What news did they have? Let's see how Village Farms finished. Its first day on the NASDAQ at $9.85. That's a hell of a good first day, up 12%. Wow. Partner with EVO. Is EVO the symbol? There's EVO. EVO. Okay, so City Guyable is talking about EVO. EVIO. It's up 47% today. Very interesting. And who? Who is EVO working with? Fastest testing time by 1/3. Okay, you got me listening. Nice list, never seen before videos. Yeah, EVO was up for sure. EVIOA, 72% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Interesting. Very interesting. CNNX about to pop anytime now once the forefront bidding agreement is signed and definitive agreement. Do your due diligence. Thank me later. CNNX. Okay, EVIO. Let me go add it to my watch list here. This is how you build the watch list, guys. Just keep adding to it every day. Just keep adding to it every day. Take a look at all the winners. You guys see all those winners? Those are all the winners. CNNX. CNNX. At $1.07. CNNX. The bottom is here at 56 cents. 110 seems to be kind of like the top here. 121, 132, 178 in the last year. It's been channeling up. Just came down recently. Stochastics are pointing down here. The MACD is touching. Looking like they're going to start pointing down here. And the Bollinger Bands are pointing down. That's why it's down 5%. I don't know. You got some labs today? Yeah, labs looks like it's going to be a good one. Alethea did good with Alethea today. Lots of square feet at Alethea. All right, that's good. Village Farms in Canada finished at $12.99, up 12%. Wow. This bad boy is just monster. Chiron Life Sciences. Wow. Okay. Finished up at $3.97, up 9.78%. And $2.94, up 7.99%. Chiron Life Sciences. What a day for Chiron Life Sciences. Let's see. So the indexes did finish up in the green, both the Canadian and the US slightly. Let's take a look at the big movers of the day. So CanTrust, which I was telling everyone all day long, they're going to the New York Stock Exchange on Monday, up 6.76%. LSH up 5.41%, and EMH up 3%. Afria up 2.27%, not much, at $10.38, and Kronos Group up 1%, just creeping up slowly every day. Aurora and Canopy didn't do so well on their opening day on New York Stock Exchange. Do you think CanTrust will follow this path? Well, CanTrust has been performing well. It's been performing very well. And it seems to be building momentum. So I always look at the momentum. And it seems to have a lot of momentum. Like, look at this. 88% buy, top 1% short-term signal strength. Longer term, the trend strength is maximum. Long-term indicators mostly agree with the trend. So the momentum right now is very strong, and they still have tomorrow before Monday. I think we could see green again tomorrow. This run-up is, I said it was going to $16, so I'm not surprised. And the run-up by Village Farms has been spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. So who's to say that they're not going to do the same thing? It's a different year. Everything that happened last year, throw it out the window. This year right now, things are hot. The cannabis sector is hot. It started the year off very hot. We haven't seen it have a substantial pullback yet. So I'm anticipating it will happen, but what if it doesn't? You know, some of these stocks might just keep running. You never know. We've seen Tilray run. We've seen Cannabis run. We've seen Afria run. We've seen Aurora run. And we've seen them come back down to earth. So will these stocks run, or will they come back down to earth? That is the question. CanTrust is going to overbought territory, so be careful. Yeah, it's possible, but it might just keep going just like Kronos Group. This market is very unpredictable. You know, it's very unpredictable. It goes down, everybody panics, then it goes up. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Like, they're either setting you up or they're just going to keep going up. Nobody really knows. The market right now is on fire, and they're predicting, based on the article that we've been reading, that it's going to go up like 50, 100 times. Jo believes that this will continue to keep going on Monday. Troy Smith says, I've always wanted to hold C-Web. It's a pretty solid company. It is. Probably the biggest CBD company in the world. Well, that's the whole goal, right? Is for us to be able to try to predict this momentum and get it down to a science. Because momentum is everything. And we see momentum right now in a lot of places. So have fun, make money. Be careful, do your due diligence, do your research. Don't buy in a stock just because you heard it and you saw it here on Rich TV Live. We talk about a lot of stocks here, okay? But when I see a 88% buy, top 1% signal strength, I see a company that's building momentum. Building momentum, right? Take a look at Village Farms. And this is a company that has momentum. They're not building momentum. They're already 100% buy. See, boom. 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Now be careful. It's highly overbought territory, but this bad boy's got power. Keeps going up every day. Yeah, well, today Village Farms is breaking that trend, never seen before videos. Hopefully that will continue. Yeah, it's a new year. I mean, so far the cannabis sector has been hot. If you look at the revenues, you'll see that the American companies are doing very well and they're catching up and they're passing a lot of Canadian companies already. TrueLeaf, C-Web. A bunch of different companies all doing quite well.
You know what it is? Rich TV Live. Ill Kid. Cloud Ninja on the beat. Don't panic. Don't panic, you rookies that don't manage. You looking at all the candles, it's a ride and we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about? Pockets when they tingling, money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference, I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your places, don't mistake that you are beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get poppin' now. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way I cop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hated is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers and soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like Don Corleone, another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic, I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You say tripping on the side, it's like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat, I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in, stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, be a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic.
Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels in motion. Quickly. ASAP. Quick.
Oh, what a good song. I'm a big fan of that song. I like that song. I don't know about you guys. We had some people making money with labs today. People made money with VFF today. Nice. Man, we're just going to keep winning, man. It's been a glorious year so far. Hopefully this trend continues and we can maximize on this momentum. Troy is holding Zenabis, looking for good things tomorrow. Yeah, I think Zenabis is going to do well. Zenabis will do quite well. There's the American symbol. ZBISF. Interesting. It's just starting to trade. Traded 5,000 shares. So nobody even knows about this. Oh, Zenabis is going to be a monster. Yo, you thought the last beat was bomb? Yeah, man, that's Don't Panic. Ill Kid, Kenny Lee, DJ Cloud Ninja. The revenue is due February today. Yeah, I hope the revenue just smashes it. If you guys have any requests of songs, let me know. I'm just breaking you guys the news. Here's the companies. A prediction that the cannabis industry is going to grow to $630 billion from a current $12 billion. And these are the companies that this large institution is going to be covering. Aurora Cannabis, Canopy Growth, Tilray, Acreage Holdings, Afria, Cureleaf Holdings, Green Organic Dutchman, Green Thumb Industries, Hexocorp, Ianthus Capital, Cushco Holdings, MedMen Enterprises. If you guys want to join my group, you guys can follow this link. I'll give you guys the link right here. There you go, guys. Follow that link right there if you want to join our secret Telegram stock chat, where literally the chat goes all hours of the day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's just about pretty much everything, but mainly stocks. T-God cares more about Europe than Canada because Europe and international growth is important for Canadian companies because of the fact that Canada is so small. 190 million outstanding, 80 million float for Zenabis. That's a very tight float. Nothing to be worried about. What do you guys think about these 12 companies that is being initiated coverage of? Seaport Global. Interesting. So to grow from 12 billion to 630 billion would mean we would need to grow by about 5 times. 50 times. No, 5 times? 50 times. So that means 50 times growth for the industry. 50 times growth for this industry. That's massive. That is so massive. You got to, in order to join the Telegram, you have to download Telegram first. Download the app on your phone first. Then you'll be able to follow the link to join the group. There's also a link in the description down below to join the the Telegram group. I say WhatsApp group. I have so many different groups. So to join the Telegram group, which is a very fast growing group and with thousands of messages a day, it's called the Secret Stock Group. It's in the description down below. I'll post it here again. Hey, no problem, guys. Just here to help, We all just here to help each other. If you guys have any requests of any songs, let me know. I think it's important for us to share the winners together and share what we see. We might be able to see something, help each other win, help each other make money. That's what this is about. Thank you for being here, Troy. I appreciate it. Did I see GTXI? Well, I see it here on my list. It's up 71%. Strong buys everywhere. GTXI. And Zazano Pharma just kept going. Wow. I brought you guys that alert when they were like $4 and went to $6. Which one will be down again tomorrow? GTXI? Look at all the winners. Look at all the winners. What do I think about crop? Let's look at crop. There's crop right there. 32.5 cents. It was a high of 65 cents in September. And another high of 82 cents in March of 18. A low of 15 cents on July 4th. Interesting consolidation here. Definitely have found a floor here around 32 cents, but what is going to be the catalyst that's going to propel this? Yeah, I would be careful with some of these stocks. I really like riding momentum. And that's why I keep talking to you guys about like Village Farms. Like, look at this. Jeez. That is a chart. From $3 to like $10. It's crazy. From $4 to $13 in Canada. It's just mind-boggling. I just like to follow the momentum. What has momentum right now? Because this industry is going to just keep gaining momentum. And it's going to explode at times. And it's going to be times where it's going to go right down. And then there's going to be times where it's going to explode again. So we got to master this. We really got to master this. And we got to stay in our lane and look at the best companies. Look at the best stocks. Look at the companies that give us a chance to make the most money. That's what this is about for me. For me, it's about finding the best picks that we can all make money with. I want to make money too. I want to buy them too. I want to buy VFF too. I want to buy KHRN too, but I want to buy them when they're in the red. I don't want to buy in the green. I don't want to chase it. I'm not going to chase it at a 52-week high. But what if it goes to $20 like Kronos Group did? What if it goes to $45, $50, $60, $70 like Cannabis Growth Corp? What if it goes to $300 like Tilray? This industry is hot. This industry is the most exciting industry on the planet. Let's be honest. That's what it is. That's a good attitude, Scott. Invest in the best companies that make the most money. Yes, Eric Mancini says Ianthus has a lot of momentum the past month. I agree. I have lots of momentum. From 376 December 21st to 598 today. A high of 694. This is in America. In Canada, currently at 792. Been as low as in December 478, and as high as just under, over $9. $9.40. $9.49 was the high. Wow, it's a strong buy here on TradingView. TradingView has it listed as a strong buy. Yeah, FOMO Israel, man. That's why I never bought it. I won't chase it. Just hunt these stocks. Date them. Buy them when you're ready, man. Why do you got to rush to buy anything? You don't. You can buy it at any time, at any price. There's no shame in buying anything at any time. We're still early in this game. Super early in this game. And these stocks are going on crazy runs, making people so much money. And we got to learn these patterns and we got to take advantage. And when we see momentum, at times we got to try to ride it, take advantage of it. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Don't go and just buy something because you heard it here first. Do the due diligence, do the research. Make sure you're really understanding the company that you're investing in, okay? What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give you guys as many tools as possible that are all free tools that you can use to help you make your decision. Like this right here, Ianthus. 88% buy on bar chart and a top 1% signal strength. When you find something that's a top 1% signal strength, that's when you know it has power. That's when you know it has momentum, okay? That's a stock that you can ride. Like if you're betting on sports and you have a team like Golden State and Golden State Warriors in basketball are winning every game, you can ride them. And just say, okay, I'm going to ride them for 10 games straight and bet that they're going to win every game. Well, sometimes that happens with stocks. When they get so much momentum, so many people are buying it, it's in all the chat rooms, everybody's excited, shareholders are buying it, everybody's getting pumped. FOMO's real, right? Look, I'm going to play that song for you. play FOMO is real, just to make sure you guys understand. And then what happens is everybody starts buying it, and then it goes up. When you have that many people buying it, it's going to go up. Because FOMO is real. We even made a song about it. Hear the song.
The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I know you missed it, but we gon' get it back, get it back. Triple shrimp ink, look, that's how we stack. SHMP, we call it forward bluer. I bet you wish you had it in your hands and that you knew us. We gon' get this money, don't be scared to get this money. Not afraid to get this money, always on my mind is money. It might slip up out your hands, but the crew is here to reinforce. Rich TV, with the picks, are the number one choice. Hey, you got some dollars, go invest that shit. Cause the fear of missing out will leave you desperate. Make some money, go and buy yourself a necklace. Or stun it out, you can cop a bigger bracelet. Whatever you do it like you're doing it right. Cause in the stock game, you know it's either fight or flight. Whatever you do it like you're doing it right. Cause in the stock game, you know it's either fight or flight. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I told you follow the boy Rich, the noise sick. I'm tired of all these other stock cats, they annoying. Talking this and talking that, shit, they boring. I think I'd rather listen to the phone ring. Pick up, cause the money keep on calling though. And when I'm throwing down the cash, it's like Geronimo. Chasing rainbows, I'm always down for a pot of gold. And when the stocks are calling shit, I'm like, I gotta go. If you never watch, I guess you all missing out. Never winning, I'ma keep on spending, never running out. Yeah, this the bigger route. Getting checks, we checking out. If you got some promo, then please never have a second doubt. FOMO stay real with me. FOMO so real. FOMO stay real with me. You know the deal. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel.
What do you guys think? Ianthus. ITHUF in America, IAN in Canada. Is this the time to buy Ianthus? I think this company has such a great future. And I honestly believe that they can make us a lot of money. Okay? Now, don't go and buy it just because you heard it here first. But, I mean, it's got a lot of momentum. Okay? It's got a lot of momentum. And they just amalgamated with MPX. They're going to have massive revenue. It's one of those companies where you want to own some shares, right? Still relatively cheap in America. Canada is not as affordable. Let's see, it's at $7.92. So it's still under $8. So I still believe it's definitely in buying range at these levels. But I would love to get it on a pullback. I don't know about you guys. But man, I like it. I like it a lot. And it's one of the companies listed, right? Ianthus. Right here, Ianthus Capital. Bam. It's listed. So 145 million shares. 225 million total when they're all out. $15 million cash in the bank. What does Medman say? They don't have the answers there. Interesting. I think Medman's going to be hitting a bottom very soon. Yeah, it's just under $4. $3.99. It's just creeping up. It's creeping up. It's creeping up. See, it doesn't have that momentum. It doesn't have that power that some of these other stocks do. Do I look at who people invest in? Sometimes. See, Medman is currently a 56% sell. So if you're buying this, you're going against where the momentum is. The momentum is saying that this is most likely going to go down. So you don't have to sell. You don't have to buy. You could wait, try to see it go a little bit lower. However, they might be wrong and this could go up tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just telling you what the indicators are saying. I just think that Medman long term is going to double from these prices. And the lowest it's been in the last year is $3.11. So it's a lot closer to the 52-week low than it is the 52-week high. I like Medman a lot. If there's any picks that you guys want me to look at, if there's any stocks that I should look at or I should know about that I've overlooked or I'm not paying attention to, please let me know. I believe this cannabis industry is one of the hottest industries in the world, and there's a lot of opportunities for us, not just as investors, but also as people that want to participate in this growing sector. So if you think about it and how this industry is going to grow by like 50 times, just imagine if you could have a piece of that industry, if you could have a part of the industry. This is what I'm trying to explain to people. There's the opportunity now. That opportunity's here. Okay? And I think that there's just so much potential.
At Cam Clark Ford, we have a city-sized inventory of new and used Fords.
Do you really?
Fucking with the haters, man. I'ma keep on moving power up just like it's Gatorade. You ain't got the money, bro. Jokers fade away. In it for the stock. Goddamn, I made a K today. Outer space, I should really be an astronaut. Flying with the stars, smoking on the moon, so pass the blunt. Snakes hiding in the grass, pulling out the lawnmower. Expose your whole motive, notice that it's all over. Andrew got the keys, Arthur got the keys. Rich is in this bitch, yeah, we smoking on some trees, yeah, we lounging. You know that we gon' conquer mountains, and we gon' get this money with my brothers. And if you hating on the click, you suckers. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. I see your vision strictly diminish the system, providing the mission. You ain't got permission from the coalition. You a rat, but I took you for a dog type. Thought you was down for the cause, but you lost sight. Eye for an eye, but now the haters blindfolded. You can't think for yourself because your mind's stolen. You can't speak for yourself because your lies choking. Now you can't see for yourself because your eyes closing. I don't hear, I don't speak, I don't see no evil. Because I'm good with myself and I will love the people. Hey, you ain't good with yourself.
Find those winners.
But when you look in the mirror, you think that we are equal. I'm trying to give you insight, but it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. I'm just trying to give you insight, it's never working. I just pray one day you'll be a better person. Never giving up, I keep on fighting.
I love Xena. NBev will do well. Stay in your lane. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. It's true. We bring you the winners. We bring them to you first. We break you the news. We bring you the analysis. And we bring it to you first. Seaport Global rolls out cannabis coverage and sees global market at $630 billion. That's right. From $12 billion to $630 billion. It's true. And you heard it here first from your boy Rich. We in the hottest, fastest growing industry in the whole world. And that's giving us a reason to celebrate. It's giving us a reason to celebrate. And yeah, I'm very excited to be a part of it. And I hope you guys are all excited to be a part of it. And thank you for joining me here. Without you guys, none of this is possible. Follow the light. Follow the light.
I knew a one gal name was Rebecca. I knew a one gal name was Rebecca. She loved it dance like that. Pull up selector.
Follow the light. That's why you need your shades. Follow the light. The light is blinding. Blinding.
Loving life, all good. Music so loud, we about to wake the neighborhood. She love music, make her wanna live a fast life. Energy is popping, but she never had a bad night. She love twisting and turning, dancing and making her earning. Her life is never born, home at 4 in the morning. Yeah, I can take you there, you'll never be alone. I'ma be right there. I hold you close, I'ma always care. Don't worry about your past, it's a brand new year. Yeah, I knew a one gal name was Rebecca. She got that down.
Oh yeah, I'll do another countdown for sure. Alifia is a beast. A lot of stocks will be over $100.
She a funny gal, but don't mistake it, cause she kicking on the money, pal. When the drink done, she tell him hurry mo. And when the food gone, she tell him curry go. She don't want the chicken, unless the chicken jerk. She picked it perfect on the bread, she tryna pick a verse. But I need you, I want you, can I have you? That's what I'm saying every day that I'm playing it. Buffy the vampire, you know that I'm slaying it. But this ain't movies and I choose over groupies, never lose a shell shock, electrocuting a pussy. One time on the mic, music so good, I'ma feel so right. I knew a one gal name was Rebecca. She got that dance like that. Pull up selector. I'm on the phone and I never disconnect her. Body like a wonderland, call it holy mecca. Just give me the light. Oh, oh. Just give me the light. Oh, oh. I knew a one gal name was Rebecca.
No, I don't remember. What did you say? Yeah, it means if Xena had a bad quarter, that's a buying opportunity. That's the way you guys need to look at it. If a good company has a bad quarter, it's a buying opportunity. Look what happened to Suniva. Suniva, everyone was talking about how, they had bad revenue. Suniva had bad revenue. They had poor revenue. Oh my goodness, Suniva. All this bad stuff about Suniva. And then, what was it? It exploded. That's what happens. So if you get caught up in all the hype, you can get hurt. But if you follow the trend has been good companies get bad news, they go down, and then they just recover, and then they explode. And if you take advantage of those buying opportunities, then you win. If you don't, then you don't. And you got to do your due diligence and determine whether or not you think it's a real company. I have been to Xena's facilities. They are ginormous. Gigantic and enormous. Ginormous. So, yeah, they're going to be very, very, very successful. Hugely successful. They might trend down for a bit, which might be a great buying opportunity for us. I agree. Trend is your friend. I don't go against the trend. I never go against the trend. Always follow the trend. All right, guys. Seaport Global rolls out cannabis coverage and sees global market at $630 billion. What do you think? That's the news that I wanted to cover for you guys today. Hope you're having a great day. If you like this video, smash the like button. Comment down below. Share our video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. What do I think is going to happen to CanTrust on Monday? I think it's going to keep going up. That's what it's been doing. The momentum has been building. So why not just keep going higher? Stay tuned.
Trying to get a mansion with the pool, some big land. Step into the jungle, you'll be sinking. Quicksand, trolls love the haters. Damn, at a distance, whole team whack. Crooked like a bad dentist. What's that? Roof throwing. Yeah, we got bad members. Keep trolling, patrolling. Yeah, you can't get us. You don't wanna beef. I eat them like I'm having breakfast.
Montreal. Rich TV Live coming from Band City. I've been trading for a long time. 20 years. That's right. TRST is listing on Monday, my friend. Yeah, I seen CANN. Thank you for the picks, guys.
We elevate.